Hey guys, welcome back to Go Rebuild It. It has been a while since we've put a video out, but we are back, as you can see, on the he shed, and we're building a small deck on the outside here and getting that ready. Going to get a roofing on here in just a minute, and then we're going to start putting vinyl siding on. So I'll show you some tips and tricks that we've learned along the way. So stay tuned. You don't want to miss what may go on or what may happen. Somebody may get hurt today, so stay tuned.
All right, making a filler board, cutting about a 3-4 inch piece to fill in a little gap. And making sure that we don't have any splits in the wood. Just like that.
Hey guys, welcome back, and we have made a lot of progress. As you can see, we've got our rafters up here for our porch. It's all tied into our 4x4s. We're ready to put some decking on it now. So we've got some 7/16 OSB, rough side up, so when you're up on top you don't slide, plus it's got all your nail marks on the top. So we're going to get this up, get it marked, get it cut, and get this nailed down, so we'll be ready to put some shingles on here before too long. So stick around. Hey guys, welcome back. We have had some lunch, picked up some more supplies, and we are starting on our outside corner. As you can see, we've had to make a couple of cuts. We've got our outside corner on the front. We've got our J mold going on, J channel. So we're going to continue with this, get our starter strip on, and we're going to start putting some siding on here in just a few minutes. So stay tuned. So guys, we are back. We've been working hard. We've got our siding on the side of the building. Got everything cased out around the doors. We still got soffit to put on, but that'll be coming later. So right now we're going to get our decking installed down right here on the porch, get all that secure so that's ready to go. And so let's get after it. All right, guys, we are back for the last time today. It's been a long day. We've had a lot of fun, got a lot of stuff done. As you can see behind me, we've got this one side siding on complete. Got our decking down. It's secure now. So got all that ready. It's ready for some rest and relaxation out here. But there's some strange things going on today. Something we can't explain. All I know is it's a UFO sighting. So you have to be careful about that. So, hey, we'll catch you next time. Remember, if you don't know what to do with your project, go rebuild it.